yeah.
Feel 40 vibes tonight.
On my crescent, never sleeping.
One last below for Ilimo before Adelaide.
Sesenga ni dua, Veitalatala.
Sitting down around the tanoa tonight. Not the money dreader filling up the night. Mateo laughing loud with Joey too. Oliver in the limo saying do I tell mother.
After almost 4 long years apart, now vemos city touching every heart. Veitalanoa till the morning light. Vedro de Vaki making everything alright.
Ilimo smiling but checking the time. 5:30 reporting running through his mind.
Now the airport calling very soon. Yet tonight we still talking beneath the moon.
Isa Ilimo Waqanivalu.
Feel 40 memories stay forever.
Inakanaya lova takina vosota.
Now we valide in a loloma.
Everybody thinking about work tomorrow, but tonight no room for sorrow. Nakamikani sema vaka vale. Otei na via my soul.
Auntie Minani pouring one more below. Barbara laughing saying sekayotiko. I'm not thinking about work tomorrow morning. Joey got his shift but still not leaving.
Auntie Dua saying Matemanda guys, but another below changes everybody's minds. Mateo thinking about his early parade. Still seated down with the boys unafraid.
Dope, everybody but the mood feels right. Stories and laughter till late in the night.
Nanoda vuvale na kena bibi. Even distance can't break us now.
Adelaide out,
but love stays near.
Nanonda to
Velo money always here.
from Fiji soil to Australia side. Feel 40 memories traveling worldwide.
Ilimo brother mukalonga tatiko. Carry your laughter wherever you do. Na biloni yanko na joined us as one. And tonight we celebrate till dawn. Ilimo Waqanivalu.
Adelaide rini bongi okwena segani alira.
Feel 40.
Hold my crescent forever strong.
This is more than just a farewell song. Inakanaya lova takina vosota.
Nakmuni bibi ilimo.
Safe trip brother. Kaluma na nangole ngoe.
Adelaide waits.
But Fiji loves you too.